I have decided to refinish these cabinet doors. I mean, they're nasty. They're from my bathroom vanity. I don't have time, like to pull the old vanity out and fix it. So I'm going to, or replace it. So I'm going to just kind of give it a little bit of a facelift, my bathroom's going to be getting like a $200 facelift, and I will do some before and after of it, but I'm going to spruce up all the old nasty hardware.